Hey YouTubers, this is JT Tom here with another airsoft video. This is the Crossman rifle, spring powered, shoots at about 350 FPS. Has a nice hop up on the side. The clip or the magazine is right here. You fill it up right here, and then once you do that, you pull the spring down, and BBs will come out of here. You tip it until you get them all in there, and you lightly let it go, and pull this baby back, push it forward. By the way, I'm doing this all with one hand, so if it's bad, I'm sorry. The safety is right here. Now, there's a tactical rail system on here for you to attach a flashlight, red dot sight, whatever you want. Laser. Overall, this is a pretty decent gun. So I have attached a sight to it. It does not cooperate very well. Some of them are not big enough, some of them are too big. Depends on what you have. But this is what it sounds like when you fire it. So not a real big loud sound, but good enough. I got this for around 30 bucks at Walmart. Pretty good deal. I mean, it doesn't come with any BBs, but it comes with a magazine, which is pretty good. So I would highly recommend this gun just for a secondary gun, just, I don't know, for the fun of it. But it's a nice gun to have. It gets irritating after a while just to like pull it back and then push it forward every time, but when I have two hands free, I can usually do it pretty fast. But so that's the rifle. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.